This video is a fast start guide to listing your property on the Airbnb mobile app. Before starting, gather high-quality photos, write a concise headline and summary, and list top amenities and your accurate address. To prepare your listing, sign in or create a host account. Tap Profile, switch to Hosting, and create a new listing. Choose the property type and room setup, then enter the exact location and verify it on the map. In the app, write a clear headline and detailed description. Add crisp photos, tag rooms, and set sleeping arrangements. Select amenities and house rules, and decide whether to enable instant booking or require approval. Next, set your base nightly rate and cleaning fee. Add security deposits or extra guest fees if needed. Open your calendar to set availability and minimum stay. You can also turn on smart pricing to help you remain competitive. Review your listing preview and correct any errors. Complete ID verification and set up your payout method. Once ready, publish your listing and respond quickly to inquiries. Remember to monitor bookings, update your calendar, and refresh photos regularly.